Hey, you guys, welcome in. It's our beautiful Northpoint at Old Settlers. This is our Nichols floor plan. Come check it out. So as you walk through here, it's very open, very spacious. You get a really nice, beautiful kitchen. Definitely want to point out the appliances built into the cabinet. So you have that nice microwave, your stove, large kitchen island, everything soft closed as far as the cabinets go. And it really just makes for an overall great feel of a home. You notice a lot of natural light coming in through the home. So a lot of windows, just very, very spacious and open, as well as the 5-inch baseboards all the way through. So really want to create a great feel throughout the home. What I want to do is point out this beautiful dining area. So as you sit here, of course, a lot of natural light, you can eat, you can enjoy your family, drink you some fresh coffee in the morning and still get that beautiful sunlight coming in. So that's a huge, huge plus. Of course, as you come over here, once again, everything you see in here is standard. So you will get your nice mud area and a half bathroom downstairs as well. All right, you guys, let's go upstairs. One of my favorite parts about the home is your loft area. So if you come home from a long day, sometimes you just don't want to go downstairs and watch TV. You want to shower in your bedrooms and just come straight to your loft area and really hang out and enjoy it in here. So that's a huge plus. Being able to say, hey, look, I have 2 living areas, one upstairs, one downstairs. That makes the floor plan even more cool. So outside of this nice loft area, if you got kiddos, this is the room for them. In the 3rd bedroom, you still get a ton of space. You get 2 windows for a lot of natural light. This is where your kids want to come home and play. Grand finale, definitely want to invite you guys into this beautiful primary bedroom. Look at the space in here. So very spacious, king size bed in here, tray ceiling. I mean, it really opens up. Last but not least, I cannot forget about your primary bathroom, right? So everybody's thinking when you think of primary bathroom, oh, it's small, oh, it's not gonna have enough space. Well, let's check this out. So in your primary bathroom, you get the towel all the way up the wall. You get the beautiful bench inside of your shower. You also get dual vanity. You also have a huge primary closet as well. I'd love to show you this home in person. I'm in Northpoint at Old Settlers, located in Round Rock, Texas. I cannot wait to see you guys out soon. Come see me.